Good morning, students. Today we are starting new chapter, that is water around us. In this chapter, you will learn about the sources of water, where do we get from water, from where do we get water, and water conservation. So sources of water क्या होता है? Sources of water वो होता है जहाँ से हम लोगों को water मिलता है, ठीक है. Like the main sources of water is rain. बारिश से हम लोग को पानी मिलता है ना. The rain water fills in the all the water bodies like pond, river, etc. So these are the sources of water. So there are two types of sources: natural and artificial. So natural resources are rain, river, and artificial boring, well, है ना, hand pump. These are the artificials, means natural, which we get from the nature itself, and artificial that are made by man. Where do we get water from? हम लोगों को पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? So we get water from the rain, and through artificial things we will study in the deep water conservation. How we can keep water, हाउ वी कैन सेव वाटर. पानी को हम लोग कैसे बचा सकते हैं, उनको कंजर्व कैसे कर सकते हैं, इनके बारे में हम लोग को इस चैप्टर में पढ़ना है, ठीक है. नाउ सी in the yellow box, the earth is called the blue planet because of the large amount of water present on its surface. Water is all around us in lakes, ponds, rivers, streams, seas, and oceans. However, water can get depleted if we do not conserve it. See, our earth is all covered, our earth is also called blue planet. Do you know why? Because the large amount of water present on its surface. Because जो हम लोग का अर्थ है उसका मोस्ट पार्ट क्या है, वो पानी से घिरा हुआ है ना. फ्रॉम टुवर्ड्स द, यू कैन सी, towards the east there is towards the east there is Bay of Bengal. Towards the west of India there is Arabian Sea, like and the downside it is Indian Ocean. So it is all covered with the water. So that's why it is also called blue planet. Water is all around us. We can see water all around us, like in lakes. Do you know that it is called झील? लेक्स, पोन्स, तालाब, रिवर, नदी. स्ट्रीम्स जो होता है उसका मतलब होता है छोटी छोटी नदियाँ, ठीक है. सी, समुद्र, एंड ओशंस जो है वो महासागर को बोलते हैं, ठीक है. हाउ वो वाटर कैन गेट डिप्लीटेड इफ़ यू डू नॉट कंजर्व इट. बट वाटर कैन गेट डिप्लीटेड मतलब होता है कि समाप्त हो जाना या फिर ख़त्म हो जाना, पूरी तरह से वैनिश हो जाना, ठीक है. तो हम लोग का जो वाटर है अर्थ पे वो ख़त्म हो सकता है, पूरी तरह से डिप्लीट हो सकता है अगर हम उसको कंजर्व ना करें, अगर हम उसको सेफ ना करें, बचा कर ना चले तो, ठीक है. तो ये है हम लोग का वाटर. इसके बाद में देखो जंप स्टार्ट दिया हुआ है. आंसर दिस क्वेश्चंस. नेम एनी टू सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर. तो मैंने सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर के बारे में डील किया आप लोगों के. सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर टू टाइप्स के होते हैं, आर्टिफिशियल, नेचुरल. उसके भी एग्जांपल्स होते हैं. तो वाटरफॉल, स्ट्रीम्स, रिवर, पोन्ड्स, ये सब क्या है, नेचुरल सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर. और हैंड पंप, वेल, कुआं या फिर बोरिंग, ये सब आर्टिफिशियल है. तो इसमें कोई भी दो के नाम लिखना है. रिवर, पोन्ड, लेक, स्ट्रीम, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो आप लोग. देन बी नंबर, राइट एनी थ्री यूजेस ऑफ वाटर. नाउ यूजेस ऑफ वाटर. सो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ यूजेस ऑफ वाटर इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ. वाटर इज यूज्ड फॉर बाथिंग, वाटर इज यूज्ड फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, वाटर इज यूज्ड फॉर कुकिंग फूड, वाटर इज हेल्पफुल इन रेनफॉल. So many things you can write from our day to day life. Okay, then question number C. Write any two ways to save water. How you can save water. पानी को हम लोग किस तरह से बचा सकते हैं, कैसे हम लोग सेव कर सकते हैं वाटर को. तो देखो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप लोग को इसमें कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होता है तो आप लोग यहाँ से भी लिख सकते हो कि हम लोग कैसे कंजर्व कर सकते हैं वाटर को, ठीक है. See, this girl is brushing and the water is flowing downside. So whenever we are brushing, just keep the tap closed. Like this we can save water. This girl is washing the car with a pipe. We can use mug and bucket in place of pipes. Okay, then this boy is bathing with the help of shower. So this is also wasting of water. Okay, see, leakage of pipes and taps, this is also wasting water. So close the tap whenever it is not needed. If any leakage is there, we have to prevent it by repairing the taps. Okay, so these are the things, these are the methods by which we can conserve water or save water. So you can write anything like close the tap whenever it is not needed. B number, use don't use excess water. Okay, like this you can write. Then now take write what you already know. Identify different sources of water. Now after the explanation, I think you are knowing what are the known as the sources of water. So there are different sources of water, that is natural and artificial, and that examples also I told. If you know these questions, you have to write tick mark. If you don't know, you can ask me again. Then second number, identify different uses of water. You know the uses of water because every day you are using water, like drinking, bathing, washing, washing clothes, washing utensils, etc. So you know the uses of water. So here you can write tick mark. Identify the need and ways to save water. What is the need of water? Water is needed in all types of works. For staying alive, we cannot live without water. So it is very very important. And ways to save water, that also you know, that we have to save water. If any place, if there is a wasting of water is going on, we have to stop that. Okay, now see, this highlights topic is now explained here. This is the just recap of this chapter. Now see, sources of water. Where do we get water from? Is water a natural or an artificial resources? Discuss. So where do we get water from? Water we get from the rain and from the water bodies. Okay, water is natural or an artificial? So water is a natural things because it is not made by man. Okay, and discuss. So what you have to discuss? You have to discuss that where we have to get water, and it is natural or artificial. It is given, I explained only, but it is given here in detail. Let's see. There are many sources of water such as ponds, waterfalls, lakes, streams, rivers, seas and oceans. These water bodies